What's your favorite cryptocurrency?
What's cryptocurrency?
What's your favorite cryptocurrency?
What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
And what about NFT?
No, Ripple.
Ripple.
XRP.
XRP. Hey, what's your favorite cryptocurrency?
All of them.
Excuse me, what's your favorite cryptocurrency?
Phantom.
Phantom. Okay, thank you very much.
H-Bar, Ethereum.
Uh-huh. Hey, excuse me, what's your favorite cryptocurrency?
I would say I'll stick with the basics. Bitcoin.
What about you?
Your crypto.
The Centraland.
Uh-huh. Thank you very much, guys. Hey, excuse me, what's your favorite cryptocurrency?
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Okay, thank you very much. Hey, excuse me, what's your favorite cryptocurrency?
ADA.
ADA, Cardano. Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks, buddy.